Hi, I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford. I am the owner of Imagine Wellness. Thank you for being here. I'm a doctor, dietitian, and coach, and I help heal your relationship with food, body weight, and eating. Today is part 2 of what 3 things can kill your gut health and what can you do about it. And so if you watched part 1 was about 3 things that you could be doing. Now we're going to say, okay, what do you do about it? I'm going to give you 3 easy tips to walk away with at the end of this video. Stay at the end, subscribe if this is helpful, to help your gut health. So the first thing that you could be doing that's killing your gut health is not pausing. So not pausing just means you're running around, you're super busy. One way to just pause, and it takes maybe 15 seconds, is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have your senses in your body. Most of you do. If not, you can just make them 4 or 3 senses, whatever you've got, and say, okay, I'm going to name right now 5 things I can see, 4 things I can hear, 3 things I can touch, 2 things I can smell, and then 1 thing I can taste. And when you are able to really go whoop, and be in the moment and name 5 senses and 5 different things, 4, 3, 2, 1, different things with your senses, it creates a new neural pathway, which you're out of the future, you're not ruminating on the past, and you're right here. That will make you pause. And it also will keep the brain busy if you have a hard time slowing it down. All right, the second thing that can kill your health is you are not being present. So one way to be present at a meal is taste. Taste your food. Literally, when you take a bite of your sandwich, close your eyes, because we're going to turn off another sense and concentrate on this sense and say, what are the flavors in my food? What are the textures in my food? And pretend you're like a food critic. You're a food connoisseur. And is it a smoky, creamy, salty, smooth, textured, vanilla, whatever flavors you taste, and stick to physical tasting flavors. It's interesting if what comes up is emotions. Sometimes people will describe emotions that they're experiencing rather than the taste that they're experiencing. And see if you can do both, but just focus on being present and taste your food. And then you could talk about so many different ways on tasting the moment and connecting. I have a 5-step framework with my personal coaching clients that I'm able to really teach their thoughts, how to shift to connecting to the moment, connecting to the person in front of them, which is analogous to tasting your food. Okay, third thing that you can do to help your gut. If you follow part 1, the third thing of part 2 that could be killing your gut is your posture. You have poor posture and you're not breathing. So what you can do, 7 breaths, 7 deep breaths that help to activate the vagus nerve slightly. And if you have heart problems or breathing problems, consult with your doctor before doing this. But you're going to go, when you breathe in, you're going to expand your chest, and breathe out, you're going to push out all the air in your belly. And they're forceful breaths. So I got a little lightheaded doing that. You're going to do that 7 times. And what you're doing is you're getting all that oxygen and you're pushing it out. And that literally activates the vagus nerve to get into a restful state. If you could do it 7 times, 7 times is the magic number, lucky number 7. And that eventually can contribute to a healthier gut. If this was of value to you, like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you again. I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford. Have a wonderful day.